Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine. I welcome you all on my YouTube channel. So friends, today we will do past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect continuous tense is used to express a continued or ongoing action that started in the past and continued up to another point in the past. It means past perfect continuous tense हम कहाँ यूज़ करते हैं? उस एक्शन के लिए जो स्टार्ट भी पास्ट में हुआ था एंड दैट वाज स्टिल कंटिन्यूड इन द पास्ट. In this tense, there will always be a time reference like for a few days, for 20 minutes, for 9 years, since Monday, since 1978, since May, etc. And examples of the affirmative sentences for the same. I had been learning English in an institute since March. मैं मार्च से एक इंस्टीट्यूट से इंग्लिश सीख रहा था. The notorious boys had been throwing stones at his window for 10 minutes. Notorious is known for something bad. Notorious is opposite to famous. Famous is known for something good and notorious is known for something bad. Notorious boys, बदनाम लड़के, उसकी विंडो पर 10 मिनट से पत्थर फेंक रहे थे. She had been playing football in the playground for 2 hours. वो 2 घंटे से प्लेग्राउंड में फुटबॉल खेल रही थी. He had been reading a book since 7 p.m. वे 7 बजे से बुक पढ़ रहा था. They had been watching movie for 4 hours. वे 4 घंटे से मूवी देख रहे थे. And rules for the same: subject, had, then been, then first form of verb plus ing, then object, then for or since plus time, then extra information in the sentence. Now we are to be careful about one thing. In present perfect continuous tense, we were using the helping verb has and have, but in past we are to just change the helping verb had. So present perfect continuous tense हम कहाँ यूज़ करते थे? To express an action which has started in past but is still continuing and not completed so far. It means present perfect continuous में जो rule है past perfect continuous वाला same रहेगा, but we are to change only helping verb. Present perfect continuous में हम instead of had, has और have लगाते हैं और पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस में हम लगाएंगे सिर्फ हैड. जो बाकी रूल है दैट विल बी सेम इन केस ऑफ प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस एंड पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस. Now where to use since and where to use for. I have already discussed it also in my previous audios that we use for before uncertain time like 6 hours, 8 hours, few days. And since we use before certain time like 5 o'clock, any year, name of the months, name of the days, morning, evening, etc. Negative sentences. I had not been learning English in an institute since March. The notorious boys had not been throwing stones at his window for 10 minutes. She had not been playing football in the playground for 2 hours. He had not been reading a book since 7 p.m. They had not been watching movie for 4 hours. It means what you have to do, just write not after the helping verb had. And rule for the same: subject plus had, then not plus been, first form of verb ing, since or for, object, for or since, then time plus extra information in the sentence. Interrogative sentences. Had I been learning English in an institute since March? Had the notorious boys been throwing stones at his window for 10 minutes? Had she been playing football in the playground for 2 hours? Had he been reading a book since 7 p.m.? Had they been watching movie for 4 hours? So what you notice that you have to just write the helping verb had in the very beginning of the sentence. So rule for the same: had, subject, been, first form of verb, ing, object, forward sense, then time, extra information, and sign of interrogation. Sentences regarding WH family. I have already discussed in my previous audios what is WH family. WH family consists words that start from W or H, like what, where, when, how, etc. And the examples are: why had they been enjoying the concert for 2 hours? Concert is संगीत सम्मेलन. वे 2 आवर से कॉन्सर्ट क्यों एंजॉय कर रहे थे? Why had she been watching the movie for 3 hours? वे 3 घंटे से मूवी क्यों देख रही थी? How had they been running the business since 2002? वे 2002 से कैसे बिजनेस कर रहे थे? What had she been doing since April? वे अप्रैल से क्या कर रही थी? Where had she been living for many months? वो काफ़ी मंथ से कहाँ रह रही थी? And rule for the same: what you have to do, just use these words like what, where, how, etc. in the very beginning of the interrogative sentences. Means हमने इन वर्ड्स को जो हमारे इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस हैं उनके बिल्कुल स्टार्टिंग में लगा देना है. That's it. So friends, that was all about past perfect continuous tense. I hope you all understood it very well. Thank you very much for listening to me. God bless you all.